Hello everyone. I am glad to welcome you to the Drive It Easy channel. Today we have a good situation to learn one very important rule. So, this intersection is regulated by traffic lights and signs. The gray car intends to turn left, and the white car is moving straight. As you can see, the green traffic light has turned on for both cars, which means that movement is allowed. The only difference is the road signs. The gray car has a main road sign, and the white car has a give way sign. Please answer this question in the comments. What is the sequence of driving through this intersection? You can also justify why in the comments. The correct answer is B. A white car and then a gray car. Because at an intersection, a working traffic light has priority over priority signs, such as these two signs. Write in the comments what answer you gave. The same intersection, only the situation is slightly different there. So two traffic lights are flashing yellow, not regulating traffic at the moment. Priority signs are present. The gray car is going straight, and the white car is turning left. What is the order of passage at this intersection? The correct answer is A. A white car and then a gray one. Because the traffic lights at the moment do not regulate traffic because they are in a flashing state, drivers must use priority signs. The white car has a main road sign, so it has the right to go first, and the gray car has a give way sign, so it goes second. Write in the comments whether you understood today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like if you liked the video.